Hi guys, welcome to Focus Android YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss how we can see past map on the Google Earth. With the historical imagery feature, we can see the condition of a place on the map from year to year. So here to activate it, first we open the Google Earth application, then we select in the upper right corner, then we scroll down, and we can active historical imagery by turning on the blue check on the right. Now we automatically back, and you will see at the bottom here is a historical imagery, and this is the row of year. We can scroll to the older year, and you can see on the map section there will be changes that are adjusted to the year we choose. So you can see here in the empty area there is no development at all in 2022, and if we move to the 2025 you can see that there is already development here, and here you can see there is a road and also a park was built here. I think this feature will be very useful for those of you who want to find out about the condition of the past map of a place. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.